Today I'm going to show you how to write an article with ChatGPT version 4. It came out yesterday, so here you can see, like, if you want an article about space, you can just say, write me an article about space and what the future of space means, something like that. So yeah, you just type it in here, and here it's gonna type out an article, and you will see how it works. So it will talk about the private companies like SpaceX from Elon Musk, and also about the future of space. So yeah, this is how to write an article fast and easy, and yeah, help yourself out. And please use or just use ChatGPT 4. It's also updated, but there's a warning: the data is going until 2021, so just be aware of that. Thank you.